Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to save a TikTok draft video in your phone's gallery without actually posting it to TikTok. So in this video, I am going to show you a couple different methods that will allow you to actually save TikTok draft videos to your phone's gallery. Now, unfortunately, there is no built-in method within TikTok that allows you to do this. We have to use some tricks that allow us to save these videos to our phone gallery. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply open up a draft video. And now that I have it open, just need to select next in bottom right. Now that we are on post right, under cancel in the top right, select the thumbnail of your video. It's labeled select cover, and then at the top right select the box. So as you can see, the video is playing. It does not have any TikTok watermark and there is nothing else on the screen. All you need to do is record your screen while this video is playing, and then you would have a saved version of this video. And once you tap on the screen, it will bring everything back on the screen, and then you can either delete the draft or save another one using the same method. Now for some reason you don't want to do this method, there is one more way to save a TikTok draft video to your phone's gallery, but we have to post the video. It's just we are going to make it private before we post it. So to do that, simply open up the draft video, then over in the right menu select privacy settings, and you want to make sure under who can watch this you have only me selected. Once you do that, select next and confirm who can watch this video is only me, and then we want to, and then now we can post this video. And now that video has been uploaded, and now if I go to my phone's gallery, and you can see that draft video to my Android phone's gallery. So that's how you can save TikTok draft video in your phone gallery without posting it. If you have any questions about this, leave the comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.